Hello students, my name is Mini Sethi. Today we are going to learn about Human Development Index. Human Development Index basically measure average achievement in key dimension of human development. Now what are key dimension of human development? Key dimension is long healthy life, education and knowledge and standard of living. Okay, if in any country health, education and standard of living is improving, this country is scoring high in Human Development Index, because Human Development Index basically measure performance in these three dimensions. Okay, and long healthy life assess to life expectancy. Life expectancy simply mean how many years a person expect to live. Okay, how many years a person expect to live is called life expectancy. Okay, then education and knowledge assess to mean year of schooling and expected year of schooling. Mean year of schooling is average number of completed year of education of people aged 25 or older. Okay, and expected year of schooling is number of years of schooling that a child of school entrance age expect to receive. Okay, and our third dimension, standard of living, assess to GNI per capita. GNI means gross national income per capita. Okay, these are our three dimension. First one is called life expectancy index. Okay, first one is our life expectancy index. Second one is our education index. Okay, third one is our income index. Okay, first index measure our life expectancy, that's why it's called life expectancy index. Second one measure our education and knowledge, that's why it's called educational index. Third one measure our income, that's why it's called income index. Okay, these are our three index: life expectancy index, education index and income index. Now question is that how to calculate value of each index. For calculating value of each index, you need to remember only one formula. This formula, okay, actual value minus minimum value over maximum value minus minimum value. Okay, by using this formula you can calculate value of all three index. Okay, for example, I am going to calculate value of life expectancy index. Okay, 65 is actual life expectancy, that is equal to actual value. 65 is actual life expectancy, that is called actual value. Okay, and 20 is minimum life expectancy, that is called minimum value. Okay, 85 is maximum life expectancy, that is called maximum value, and 20 is minimum life expectancy, that is again called minimum value. Okay, by using this formula I am calculating life expectancy. 65 minus 20, 85 minus 20, and our value of life expectancy index is 0.69. Okay, same way I will calculate value of educational index. As I earlier discussed, educational index consists two parts. One is mean year of schooling and second one is expected year of schooling. Firstly, I will calculate mean year of schooling. Actual value of mean year of schooling is 12 and minimum value is 0. I am using this same formula. Okay, actual value is 12 and minimum value is 0. Okay, and maximum value of mean year is 18 and minimum value is 0, and value of mean year of schooling is 0.66. Same way I will calculate expected year of schooling, and actual value of expected year of schooling is 6, minimum 0, maximum 15, minimum 0, and I will we will got value of expected year of schooling is 0.4. Okay, now we add both for getting average, both value will added and divided by 2, and our final value of educational index is 0.53. Okay, by using this formula I calculate life expectancy index and educational index. Same way you can calculate value of income index. Okay, as I earlier discussed, standard of living assessed to GNI per capita, gross national income per capita. This represent our income index. Okay, by using same formula you can calculate value of income index. Okay, now after getting value of all three index, life expectancy index, education index and income index, all value we will put in this formula. Okay, in this formula L is value of life expectancy index and E is value of educational index, and P is value of income index. This is formula of calculating value of human development index. As I discussed, human development index basically measure achievement in all three dimensions: education, income and health. Okay, this is our value of life expectancy index, and this is value of education index, and this is value of income index. L is value of life expectancy, E is value of educational index, and P is value of income index. Okay, all value will multiply by each other and we take cube root. Okay, after doing this we will get final value of human development index. Okay, this is all about basic of human development index. I think you understood. Thank you.